Hello everyone and welcome back on my channel. I am Clean with Barbie. On the last week I show you this living room how I made empty. You can see now again like it's full with stuff, with trash, with food and everything. And today finally I can show you how I finished fully. I mean, not really fully, but I will explain why I'm saying this. But how I finished with this living room. It wasn't that easy to be here and start the cleaning because there was a lot of things what it tried to make me stop to finish, and this is what you can see now. It's like when I came back after 2 weeks. When I left this living room, it was like empty. Okay, and 2 weeks later, look at this. There is stuff and trash again all over. I wasn't happy. I don't want to say that I was mad because it's really not my business, okay? It's like I'm a cleaner, even if I'm helping for free. I don't feel like they was using me and all my hard job. It's like nothing. Not this is the reason why I feel like I'm disappointed. Why I feel disappointed feeling is because they are too young to live like this. Is because it seems like they didn't really learn anything, like for example how to keep up the clean condition. Here I had a conversation with the owner, and look at this. Look at on my shoulder. Look at that. Someone is really enjoying my company and I didn't even realize. Like, listen, look at that. I'm talking. Just wait a minute. And it's running over on me. Oh my goodness. And imagine the owner was seeing this and he didn't let me know. Like, Barbie, it's roaches on you. Anyway, so my problem is I don't really have a problem, but I have a problem. So a lot of things happen with this couple. Okay, the girl was sick. She had to go to the hospital because her kidney was hurting and she was sick with bronchitis. And after I said like, okay, let me go on this week because my plan was I will finish with the living room and I will finish the kitchen. But they say, Bobby, you can't come because we have a plumbing problem. I'm like, damn, I can't believe. Like, what? What happened? So I don't know, the pipe broke and there was water all over in the apartment. They had to close the water and they got a new toilet and a lot of misery. But in this case, unfortunately, on this week, I definitely had to finish with the apartment because I have no time because I promised to the other lady who I worked before, but I didn't finish her home because of this situation. I have to go back on the next week. And because of this, I told them like I only can finish with the living room. um but when I saw this, like it's look at the trash, look at the amount of trash. I was like, guys, you can't do this, you can't continue. Like, listen, you got a new chance and I don't really think you want to leave like before I came. They said yes, it's not gonna happen, things like what people saying. And I'm like, listen, guys, it's really not bothering me because I finished with your apartment, but it's not gonna be good. Please forgive me because my cleaning here is not 100%. Okay, even if I wish. So the time was very, very short. I had only a couple of hours to finish this living room. Why I was here and I was cleaning the living room, I had no idea. But my boyfriend, I sent my boyfriend to buy a new blanket for them because you can see the bed, it's broken and it's old. And I'm gonna be honest, it's disgusting because I don't want to know that like anybody's sleeping on that bed because the roaches is just moved in and it was middle of the trash. But right now they have no money to buy a new bed. So I sent my husband, boyfriend, random Johnny thing like go and buy at least a blanket. Look at that bed. Terrible. And when he came back with the blanket, he told me like this couple is just sitting in front of the building. So they was waiting for me to finish. So that's why I was like, okay, you know what? Let me do as much as I can do under a couple of hours. I had so many plans, like go through on the walls, go through on the baseboard, go through on everything. But when I saw they moved back everything and it was trash all over again, and I knew that like they are waiting downstairs for me to finish, I was like, okay, let me do as much as I can do. I wanted to change the curtain. I wanted to take off the curtain because you're gonna see end of the video is really not looking good at all. I know, and I hate this because I always, when I finish with the house, I always want everything perfect. Like in my videos, you can see that like the curtains is looking like that right now in this video, and I'm super embarrassed. Like I know I hate it how it looks, but in the same time it like I couldn't do anything more. Oh my gosh. So I don't know, I don't really know how I feel about this cleaning because it was a huge, amazing and beautiful cleaning, and the end is just like not what I wanted. If I want to be really honest, um if they really not focusing, they're gonna turn back on the next week. So this is what you can see. Like if they are not changing, it's gonna be really bad again. um what else I wanted to say? Oh yes, so they was really mad and upset about it. Like the agent told them like wants to come on the next day, it means today, and check what is going on in the apartment, and they was really upset about it. And I told them like, listen guys, you can't be upset. We all know nothing is okay in the apartment. The neighbors know, like they saw us like how many trash came out from this apartment. They was smell like it's something is not okay. The water is just went down to the other neighbor, so of course the agent wants to know everything is okay in the apartment. At the beginning the boy asked me like, Barbie, can you please clean the hallway? And I say, no, I'm so sorry, guys. I can't clean the hallway because 2 weeks ago you told me like you gonna clean the hallway. Not just told me like you gonna clean the hallway, but you asked me to please let us clean the hallway. And I said, yes, of course, you can do it. I was super happy about they are motivated. You don't want to see the hallway now. So the boy just bought a white paint because he has to how to say like so the wall right now is black because of the roaches poop and the fly poop and everything, and he just trying to solve that problem. I don't know if it's happened or not, and I don't really want you to be mad of this couple or feel bad about them, but I think they are not really ready for changes. How I feel is like maybe they didn't really want me to go back. This is what I saw when they closed the door in the living room and they asked me like if I can do the hallway. When I said no because I came back to finish with the living room, they was like, damn, okay. They didn't say damn, I say, because I saw on their face like, damn, okay, it's not Barbie really wants to go there. When they opened the door for me, I was super shocked. Okay, because I was already like it's gonna be trash all around, and I was like, oh my goodness. So what I had a lot of plan. I wanted to finish with their dishes because you're gonna see when I'm showing you the end video, the end shots. It's like The balcony is, look at that, there is a balcony and full with stuff. Do you know what is that? So this is where they put, and this is, we all put the dirty dishes. And they was like, no, 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 they say this on the last week, no, 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 Barbie, don't worry about the dishes, we can do it. I'm like, no, I want to do it, no, 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 we can do it. And it's ended up on the balcony. So it's like, it's crazy, it's crazy. I really understand the girl wasn't feeling good, but in the same time, just put trash on the floor again, it's not okay. When I told them the truth, like, listen guys, this is not really good, they was like, yes, yes, we know. It's very hard, it's very, very hard. I told them, listen, if you continue like this, they're gonna put you out from the apartment, because nobody wants anybody live in their apartment like this. They said yes. Sometimes you have to be very, very honest, because if you just pat their head and tell like everything is okay, don't worry about, you make mess again or something, or you're not changing, it's okay, you have time. No, sometimes you have to be very, very straight and let them know like what is the risk if they are not gonna change it. And if they accept all, the thing what you say, then it's a good thing. If not, then they're gonna be the victim. You know what I mean? Like victim, like, because it's not gonna be good at all. So yes, I also want to tell you, like, it was really hard to find motivation to finish this living room, because as I told you, it wasn't what I wanted. And I don't know, I have really, really weird feeling. And this video is kind of like a short video, because if I want to be honest, I spent like 3 hours yesterday in this apartment, and I didn't find anything else to clean. Even if I feel like I should clean more, but I feel like it's enough. And I don't like to say that, so that's why I have a very mixed feeling with this apartment, because I wanted to give them so much more, but in the same time I feel like they didn't do anything, not for me, not for my cleaning, for their situation. And it's really, really hard. You can't be motivated for 3 persons, okay. It's including you, because you are motivated about the cleaning and you giving back the home for someone, but in the same time the two other people who lives here should be motivated, because if you are motivated, that's not enough. And this point, I didn't move the couch. I didn't move right now, because last time I moved the couch, and I checked if it's trash. I didn't. I don't think I showed that in the video. I don't know why. As you saw, I moved the bed. We moved the game station and everything, but not this time. I felt like, as I told you before, I did enough, and now it's their turn. If they want to change, they're gonna move everything, they're gonna wipe everything, and they're gonna work on their situation. If not, it doesn't matter if I move the bed just now, just for a video. Or guys, I am not that person who wants to lie in my video. If something is not okay and then that doesn't make me happy, it's not okay and it's not making me happy, and I'm not gonna lie like, hey, yes, it was a cool cleaning, wow, no, no, no. But at the same time, I feel bad, because I was really, really positive about this cleaning, and still I'm a little positive. So I don't say that they're not gonna change. Maybe now, because I told them the thing and the agent will come, and I told them like they can be homeless very fast if they're not gonna change. Or I don't know how they're gonna find a new apartment and how they're gonna take this stuff, because no way. Maybe this helps a little bit, maybe not, who knows, who knows. But you can't learn the lesson instead of them. They have to know what is the risk if they are not cleaning. I am not mad at them at all, but I feel bad for them, that's for sure. So this was today cleaning. It's a really, really short cleaning. And just let you know, on Wednesday, I will put all the cleaning together, the kitchen, the bathroom, and the living room, and I will play it. So if you want to see on Wednesday the full cleaning, it will be there. But unfortunately, my heart is bleeding and I'm crying. This was the video for today. I hope still, because it's not a really positive story, you enjoyed and you can see some changes because actually, okay, look at this. And after look at this. Okay, so it's definitely a change. It's just not as much as I wanted or not how I wanted, and that's all. But it changes. Yes. So this was the video today, and I wish you a beautiful weekend and thank you so much if you watched my video. Sorry because of the curtain and the mess on the balcony. But if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to watch on Wednesday the full series. Thank you!